Hey guys, we're just
You want to set
doing
it up?
yeah. Hey guys, we're doing a walk back to from Shelley. Is it Shelley or I think of the beach?
Shelley, yeah.
Yeah, Shelley to back to Manly. Oh,
How's the water? How's the water? You can Scandinavia. You should be in Australia. This water is like dark water to Australia. See ya.
Scandinavian, that's enough.
Scandinavia.
Where's that?
You know.
Sorry, mate. Scusi.
Make sure the bag's supposed to be
Yeah, I know.
praise. The bag all present.
Yeah, it's fine. Girl's paranoid. See you there.
Look at them all here.
Yeah, sometimes you see lizards here.
Oh, look also.
It's pretty cool.
Nice spot.
We moved into Emerson Road.
The bush turkey.
Yeah.
Walk back.